The T-14 Armata is a Russian-made battle tank based on the Armata Universal Combat Platform. The Russian army initially planned to acquire 2,300 T-14s between 2015 and 2020. By 2018, production and fiscal shortfalls delayed this to 2025. On the 4th of March 2024, Sergei Shemezov, the CEO of Rostec, stated that the T-14 Armata had entered service with the Russian armed forces. The Armata was designed over the course of 5 years and features a number of innovative characteristics, including an unmanned turret. The crew of 3 is seated in an armored capsule in the front of the hull, which will also include a toilet for the crew. The Vacuum-1 armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot round, developed for the 2A8-1M gun, has a penetrator that is 900 mm long and is said to be capable of penetrating 1,000 mm of rolled homogeneous armor equivalent at a distance of 2 km. The new controlled detonation technique frag shell is available and has entered service. The gun is capable of firing new guided missiles like the 9M119M1 Invar-M, which has an effective range of 100 meters to 5 kilometers, and can engage low-flying air targets, such as helicopters, with a new 3UBK-1 Sprinter anti-tank guided missile with an effective range up to 12 kilometers developed specifically for it. The secondary armament consists of a 12.7 by 108 meters M-cord machine gun with 300 rounds and a 7.62 by 54 meters Mr. Pechenik PKP or APKTM machine gun with 1,000 rounds. All guns are remotely controlled. In addition, another 1,000 rounds can be stored separately. The T-14 could also be modified to use anti-aircraft missiles. A 30 meters M anti-aircraft gun could be installed in the near future. In August 2022, Russian media reported that the 38th Research, Development, and Testing Institute of Armored Hardware and Armament proposed a list of new features for a prospective future T-14 design at the turn of the 2030s, which included a system of symbiosis between T-14 tank and dedicated reconnaissance drone, 152 meters M main gun, thermobaric ammo for 152 meters M, supersonic armor-piercing ammo for 152 meters M, a TGM for 152 meters M with aiming, guidance system, fire and forget, improved target detection and identification at 6 kilometers, redesigned turret, and new autoloader for accommodating 150 meters M gun and ammo. Powered by a 34.6 liters electronically controlled V123A diesel engine, giving a max power of 1,500 ponies for 300 miles. Also featuring a 12-speed automatic gearbox with a top speed of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. At the core is a new steel grade called for 4SSVCH. This stuff is super tough and lightweight, allowing for better maneuverability without sacrificing protection. On top of the base steel, there are additional plates likely made of a mix of ceramics and metals. These composites offer excellent defense against armor-piercing rounds. The Armata is also decked out with explosive reactive armor on the frontal hull. This uses explosive panels to detonate incoming projectiles before they hit the main armor. It also uses sensors and radars to seek and destroy incoming threats like missiles and rockets. It then fires countermeasures to intercept them before they reach the tank. This uses explosive panels to detonate incoming projectiles before they hit the main armor. Russia later claimed the T-14 was withdrawn from Ukraine in September 2023, supposedly for further testing after limited real combat conditions use. In March 2024, a Russian official finally confirmed the T-14 wasn't a major player in Ukraine due to its high cost. They see the T-90 tank as a more cost-effective option. That's all for today. See you in another video.